Assam Public Service Commission invites application from Indian citizens for the posts of Assistant Accounts Officer, AAO Class 3 post of Assam Electricity Grid Corporation Limited AAGCL. Number of posts, 61. In the scale of pay 25,000 rupees, grade pay 11,000 rupees, pay band 3. Eligibility criteria. The candidate must be an Indian citizen as defined in Article 5 to 8 of the Constitution of India, and must be a permanent resident of Assam and should have proficiency in Assamese or local language. As a domicile proof of the candidate, he or she must upload a copy of the valid permanent resident certificate, issued in Assam for educational purpose or employment exchange registration certificate will be treated as proof of residency. Education qualification. Bachelor degree in arts, science or commerce from a recognized university with minimum 55% marks or its equivalent in BCom in aggregate, or 55% marks in honors or major subject BCom or minimum 55% aggregate marks, or its equivalent for arts or science graduate having mathematics or statistics as one of the subject, or 55% marks or its equivalent in mathematics or statistics as honors BA or BSc. For departmental candidates and those belonging to the scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, minimum qualification marks in a bachelor degree is 50%. Possess proficiency in computer application, and having diploma certificate in computer application with minimum duration of 3 months. Age. The candidates should not be less than 21 years of age and not more than 38 years of age as on the 1st of January 2024. Starting date for online application, the 15th of June 2024. Closing date for online application the 14th of July 2024. Last date for payment of application fee, the 16th of July 2024. Application fees. General candidate total amount 297 rupees. For SC, ST, OBC or MOBC 197 rupees. BPL candidate 47 rupees. PWBD 47 rupees. How to apply? Applicants are required to apply online through APSC's recruitment website. No other means or mode of application will be accepted, and the application will be summarily rejected. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more updates. Stay blessed.